Hi everyone, my name is Miguel Enriquez and today I'm going to show you how to edit video using Final Cut Pro. This tool is really easy and you will be amazed on how fast you can edit with this tool and how good results you can get really easy and really quickly. Let me show you. So here on the screen, I'm showing you the editing template Notion, which is just a folder where I placed all my footage that I'm going to be using to create this short. So I open Final Cut Pro and here I have to create a new library. So I will go to New Library. We always need a library. This is where our video is going to be hosted. So in Shorts, editing template Notion is my template where I will be keeping all my footage and all the resources that I need to be able to create this video. So I will save this library here, and since I didn't give it a name, I can do it now there and then enter, and now I can say short Notion. So I have it now. If we go back here, we will see that our template is right there in the same folder, and now we're gonna start bringing our stuff. So we can either click here or go to the folder and then drop in here. So in this case, what I will do is I will navigate to the folder here and I have these 3 files that I will bring. Remember to leave files in place. This is really important because you will want to actually not copy everything to inside the library. You already have a folder with everything, so you don't need to copy everything. So I will leave files in place, and usually I fix audio problems right away. Do not have any problems. All right, with that we can just print, and I have them like this. If you don't see them like this, probably it's because you need to press in here this tool. So I like to work like here first, and then if I am doing another type of video, maybe I will go to the other way. But in this case, because it's just a short video, I like to use it like this. So let's go and see.
The template in Notion is really easy. So remember, editing a template in Notion is really easy.
So I do a few takes. So I will select the one that I like the most, maybe the last one.
So remember, editing a template in Notion is really easy. So remember, editing a template in Notion is really easy.
All right, so I like this one. I will create a new project and then start bringing this part. So in this case, I will select the in point with I on my keyboard and then the last with O, right? So I have it selected, but I will click here to create a new project, and this project will be just short Notion template, and I will create a 1080p HD video, and it could be a vertical one right away, so I don't waste any time. Probably that would be even better, so I will do that. This vertical video, in the resolution, I will change it to HD, and that's it. All right, so I have my timeline, and I need to bring this down. I will do a double tap and then bring it here. And here's the first problem. Our video is overexposed, so we need to fix that. So I will show you how to fix it. It's really simple. So you have it selected there, and then you go here to the vector. If you don't see it, then you need to click here, and then you go to the colors, and we'll start with the spec exposure. Usually this is an exposure matter. So we will click in the last circle and make it go down. You see that we are already recovering a lot of our picture. Okay, so we'll do that. And the same with the next one. Try not to go too crazy with this one. Here, maybe leave it just like that. All right, so right there is looking a lot better. For the saturation, we'll do the same. So we'll bring some more color. This looks really good already, just like that. And now for the colors, let's try to not get too crazy. Okay, looks good. Looks good for now.
Editing a template in Notion is really easy.
Okay, so here, what I want to do, I will close this down and I will play with my recording. Okay, so I will go around here.
You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the 3 dots to the right. Okay, let's do it again.
Same thing here. Select the template that you want, but you just go to select. Okay, I here, and I will bring this down. And in this case, it will place it on top of here, but I just need a placeholder here. So I will click Option W, and in that way, I will have a placeholder, and I can start editing. I will use this one, so whenever I get to a point of change, I will be able to actually select that. All right, so I will click here to make sure I delete anything that is not necessary. Okay, let's hear it. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in Edit. Okay, something that I don't need. And I can move with my arrows in my keyboard. With Shift pressed, I can move faster or move ahead, more photograms. So in here, I'm looking to look in here when I start speaking. So right there, and I'll click X, and I will delete it. Here I will do the same, and I will delete that. And now you can make any changes, and it will be saved. Okay, cool. So with that, we are good. And in here, additional template in Nutshell is really. I will make a cut there, and all this I will bring to the end, like that. I'll shorten that part. So remember, and then I will come here. Editing a template in Nutshell is really easy. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in Edit. And now you can make any changes, and it will be saved. So remember. Cool. So we already have a lot. We only need the screen recording part. Entonces, so we look for the part that we need. It's right here. Okay, so it's around here, and I will click I to start and edit. Cool. I will bring it to the end so I can edit it further, and then I will place it here. And then I want to show how I edit the title. All right, so I will edit that part, and I go back, and it will be safe. And that's it. All right, so I will go here, put it there. Okay, so I don't need the audio here. I will just get rid of the audio. Good. And I will place these guys on top. Let's see how we are. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots, perfect, to the right, and click in Edit. Okay. And now you. So from here, I will cut this part, and this whole part, I will make it faster. Select Shift V. I'll make it really fast, like that. And then bring the other section and go here. You can make any changes, and it will edit that. You can make any changes, and it will be saved. So remember. Okay, on that. Then okay, all this is cool, but I want this one to change the speed until here. Would be saved. So remember. Okay, cool. And now if I select this one, Option Command down, it will bring this one down, and it will replace the other one. Okay, so now I need the to not be so little, but I need them to use the whole space. That's perfect. You just go to select the template that you want,
but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in Edit. And now you can make any changes and it will be saved. So remember,
okay, cool. It's not truly centered. We will see how we do it. So first I will expand the audio here. So I will do right click and then expand audio. And I will bring this part a little bit here. And I will do the same here. See how it sounds.
Editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template,
okay, let's see that.
Be safe. So remember.
Okay. So we're good there. Let's see. So I need to loop the video. So I do Command L, and now I will see this one.
Be safe. So remember. Editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in Edit. And now you can make any changes and it will be saved. So remember, editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the...
Okay, let's see how we change the audio. So let's see how we improve the audio. We select everything. So we do a Control A maybe, or Command A to select everything. And now we go to audio and we make sure to do voice isolation and equalization. And equalization, we go to bass boost and see how it sounds.
Editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in Edit. And now you can make any changes and it will be saved. So remember, editing a template in Notion.
Well, do a little cutting here. To be more precise, we can use the period and comma. So in this case, I will use period.
Editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in Edit. And now you can make any changes and it will be saved. So remember, editing a template in...
We will shorten this part. Right. Like that.
So remember, editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the template.
Okay. Let's fix this. So we need to start showing where I am pressing. So let's go to the video. Let's change the position to be far more right. Like that. Perfect. And I will set this keyframe right there.
You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template
right here, instead of selecting the template, go to one, shift and right arrow. I will do another one, and in this case, I will move to the other way. Right here, little point. No. So we'll do another one, and then another one, and I will move right there. Okay,
to the three dots to the right and click in Edit. And now you can
stage.
No.
Okay, so I need to copy the last position, which is minus 763.7. So I will do the same in here. Minus 3.7, I think it was. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's 763. So this one is gonna be minus 763.7. Okay, let's see. And now you can make any. And now you can make. Okay, I think this one gotta be. Okay, until right there. And then we move to the right to see what I'm changing. And now you can make any changes. Okay, and here I am 329.9. So the same with this one. 329.9. So this way. I'm taking it. And now you can make any changes and it will be staged. So remember, editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in it. And now you can make any changes and it will be saved. So remember, editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in it. And now you can make any changes and it will be saved. So remember, editing a template in Notion is really easy. You just go to select the template that you want, but instead of selecting the template, you go to the three dots to the right and click in it. And now you can make any changes and it will be saved. So remember, editing a template in. Cool. So here we are almost done. What is left is to do something with our font. So now I'm going to export this and we will see what we do with our font to just post it to social media. So I will go here to export the file as the file. We can review it here. It's good. And in my case, I will save it here. And in here, I will see when it's saved. Doesn't take that long because it's a short video and I didn't put that many effects in it. I didn't really put any. Okay, we are good.